This song is AI.
Item 1. Adhesive crystallining lower lid. Item 2. Liquid pigment upper lash margin. Item 3. Gloss polymer rose tint. Applied in 1930. Bathroom mirror fluorescence. Symmetry verified twice. Smile calibrated to camera height. If pressure exceeds forecast, surface tension breaks rank. Rhinestones migrate downward track. It's all water paths. Remove the glitter. Water remains. Remove the lacquer. Water remains. Strip the scaffold layer by layer. Name what mascara fibers separating, lower edge compromise, pigment dilution visible, contour losing perimeter compromise, moisture overrides, adhesive crystal weight accelerates, decoration turns kinetic across the cheekbone ridge. Remove the glitter. Water remains. Remove the lacquer. Water remains. Strip the scaffold layer by layer. Name what survives. No ring light. No audience angle. No filter correction. No symmetry rehearsal. Just skin, just breath, just pose.